In this video, you will learn how to create the iconic Marvel logo using Microsoft Paint. This tutorial will guide you to design and color the Marvel logo. So let's start with the video. Insert a text box to match the original logo. Increase text box size. Use a bold font like Marvel logo such as Impact. Set the font size to 300 and write Marvel here. Leave some space around the edges of the font. Zoom the slide. Go to select option and select transparent selection. Drag it like this. Cut using Ctrl X and paste as a picture and set it. Now select and cut all the words one by one like this and paste it as a picture and set it correctly. Select the rectangle from the toolbar and select color. Drag to create a rectangle space. Select transparent selection and drag it. Cut using Ctrl X and paste it here. Select the fill with color tools. Select the red color from the color palette. Click inside the rectangle to fill it with the red color. Now select white color from the color palette. Click on the text to fill with white color. So, see friends, you have learned how to create a iconic Marvel logo using Microsoft Paint. These techniques will help you to design a Marvel logo. If you think this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video.